Hi, girls.
Hi.
So what are you guys going to make tonight? Anybody?
Strawberry, kiwi, banana smoothie.
Sounds yummy. Okay, what do we have? First, what is that? Be careful. Okay, put it on the side behind you.
And that's Africa.
Yogurtчик. That's yogurt. Yes. Careful, please.
Careful.
Oh, don't. Oh. Careful. Got it. Excellent. Got everything out? Perfect. It's gonna be so good.
Now, and then I want to do the banana.
You should peel it then. Go ahead, start peeling.
Me?
Yeah.
Let open.
That's why I made it easier for you. Start peeling. Just pull this. There you go. That's fine, actually. That's fine.
Ew.
That's okay.
Huh?
You're not supposed to do that. Okay. Kyra, how are we doing? Almost done? You want to dump the kiwi in here?
That's not the kiwi.
Well, we're going to need both.
Let me just
Can you,
make it
in small pieces? There you go. Actually, what do you need, baby? No. Oh, I'll help you with that. Good job, Kyra. Actually, stand up. I can't see you, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, you in the little chair? Okay. Now, kiwi. Make sure everything goes in. Ashley, let her. No. Let her just dump it like that. Go ahead, baby. Can you reach it? Everything is in. Good job. And the last main ingredient.
Strawberry.
Let me help you like that. Go ahead. No, you do it with the spoon. I'm holding the bowl. Woo! I think some of them are trying to escape. Good strawberries?
Yes.
Get them all out. Get them all out. Come on. Not in your mouth, in the blender, you goofball. Alright, now step away. You see this little thing? You have to align it. Alright. Okay, now step away. Mommy's gonna pour it. That looks yummy.
Pour it.
Okay, one for you.
I want
That is looking good.
This
one for
doesn't
you.
have a straw. This one doesn't have a straw.
They all have straws. One for me. One for Daddy.
No, how about for me?
Okay. Ooh, we have some leftovers.
How about for me? Everyone has any.
Everybody grab a glass.
I'm having blue. Give me blue.
Let's do cheers. How about cheers? To healthy snacks, right?
Yeah.
And what do you say? Bon appetit?
Bon appetit.
And tell me, where'd you get those cute aprons?
From Mommy.
Huh?
Mommy.
Oh yeah, and if somebody wants to buy them, what should they do? They should go on our website.
Yeah.
Yes? And who remembers the name of the website? Go ahead.
.com.
It's gonedreaming.com. Okay, let me see. Can I see the apron? We've got a butterfly and you've got a princess dress. Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, say bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
But until next time.
See you next time.